I hope you guys are doing well. In the last video, we discussed about how to make an effective study plan. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to make effective study notes. So now that you know when to study, how much to study, it's important to know from where to study, what to delete, what to study, all that. And read any entrance examination. Sitting and preparing for the exam is going to be a tedious task. And whether you're given 6 months' time or a year's time, you're always going to fall short of time. It's important, advisable that you summarize the important concept, jot all the important points, make a mass collection of all the information that's required, and you revise from that. And to do that, the best thing is to make your own notes. To make your own notes, the first thing that you need is to understand your learning style. So everybody has a different learning style. कोई शायद by heart करके पढ़ता होगा reading loudly, कोई शायद लिख के पढ़ता होगा. Some might even learn when somebody else explains to them. So understand what's your learning style. Next thing is to understand what's the learning style of the subject. What learning style does that subject demand for? For example, bio. Bio you can mug up and learn. You can read it out loud and you can learn the answers. Whereas for a subject like chemistry, you need to write it down. You need to write 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. As many times it's required for the equations to get into your muscle. So different subjects, different learning style. When your learning style matches with the learning style of the subject, that's when you're 100% sure of your result with minimum effort, and you're going to remember it for a very long time. So even within the subjects, different chapters would have different learning approaches. Like for example, a chapter like photosynthesis, it's all charts and diagrams and all that, right? So if you remember the charts, glucose gets converted into pyruvic acid into acetyl coenzyme, blah blah blah. If you learn the flow chart well, you can write a 5-mark answer, you can write a 10-mark answer as well. But whereas for a chapter like nutrition, you need to actually sit and learn all the process, the names, you need to mug up the terminologies related to that. In chemistry, a chapter like thermodynamics will have a different approach, and a chapter like halogen derivatives will have different approach. So not just important to learn the style of the subject, but also for different chapters. Now, once you know that, you can even voice record your answers, make colorful charts, diagrams, stick pictures, make it as beautiful as possible, visually appealing. So when you put so much of effort in making the notes, you're going to actually sit and you're going to actually remember from where you picked up the points. Just looking at the picture or the diagram or the chart, you'll remember the entire answer. The answer will come flowing to you. But if you think you do not have that much time to prepare your own notes, then pick up the ready notes. You could incorporate points in that. You could make some changes, do some addition, do some deletion, and make it your own notes. Also make sure you keep upgrading it. Maybe you did something today, tomorrow you come to know some new information, the next day the teacher gives some importance. Keep upgrading your notes. Don't stick to one particular note that you've done. Make use of technology. You can voice record yourself explaining the answer, listening it to over and over again. So in that way also you can make sure that you're learning the answer. And why just stick to the writing method? You can record your own voice, make voice notes, record the answer, and you can keep listening to it again and again. In that way also you can memorize the answer and it will help you remember the concept. So at the end, whatever effort you're taking in making the notes, you're indirectly making your concept stronger, because you're putting so much effort referring to different books and textbook and coaching materials and everything, and preparing a small chunk down information about that concept. It's definitely going to bring you closer towards the concept and make you remember that topic for a very long time. And if you have some different learning patterns, some different learning styles for various subjects, do write in the comments, share with us and with the others. So take care, good luck, and we'll be soon with the next video.